One question to you, and the other one is to Ashok ji.
Sure, go ahead, please.
The question I have is like, let's say I find some home in some Redfin or other websites, and I think I like this home, and this is something I can afford. Would you be able to help me in going further with the negotiations and other things?
Yes, that is what my expertise is. That's where you need a experienced agent and good to talk and who knows all the verbal, wordings where you use to impress other agent, where you want to make sure that they know you, that you are good and you can bring the closing on the table. So yes, I can definitely help you. But thing is, how far is that property? That's definitely going to make myself to decide that if I want to go that far. Only we go within a 50 miles radius where we are helping the buyers and the sellers.
No, that's exactly the radius I'm looking at. Actually, I'm looking somewhere by Fremont and
yes, definitely. Anything within a 50 miles, I will glad to help you, and that will help me too.
Okay, thank you, Rekha. And the next question is for Ashok.
Sure, go ahead, please. Go ahead.
And the confirming dates and other things, right?
Yeah,
so what if a buyer who is willing to pay only 10% of the amount, and what would be the rate? How much of difference would be from what you mentioned earlier?
Okay, so see, one thing is as long as you're paying less than 20%, you need to have some kind of a mortgage insurance. Now,
okay.
there are different kinds of mortgage insurances. One is the FHA one. You take a FHA loan and you take a mortgage insurance. I call it MI, mortgage insurance premium, through the FHA. So that is one way. Other is you take the conventional loan where you take some PMI type insurance from the regular lender,
private mortgage
insurance. So there are different. There are more options there. It can be like a one-time contribution, or it could be a lender-paid mortgage insurance or a buyer-paid mortgage insurance. So there are a lot more options there than the FHA is. So, that we had to sit down and then look at it in your particular case, depending on your down payment and your credit score, and how long you are planning to keep the property, what your short-term or long-term goal is. One can decide which kind of a mortgage insurance or which kind of a mortgage loan is best suited for you.
Also the purchase price.
Price also.
And the loan amount with FHA, you have up limit 729, which is benefiting some people to go buy higher. And the conventional has 625. Yeah. So those are the reason also you had to sit down with Ashok to find out what is good for you, what is the best for you.
Right.
Since you're a loan agent, it would be, you suggest...
well, basically, for if you're putting more than 10% down, clearly the conventional mortgage is better suited. With the 5%, FHA is definitely better suited. With the 10%, it depends. It varies from individual to individual situation.
Yeah, and also 10% what loan amount they want, right?
Yeah.
So, okay. All right.
Okay.
I think we already,
Okay.
He already gone.
Yeah.
So thank you for calling. Why don't we finish? I think we have only 5 minutes left.
Yeah.
So
basically, we're talking about the short sale. The reason we need listings is because
our listings are pending right now, all of them.
Yeah, all the listings are pending. We have no place to do open house on
because the market changed, so everything is just selling.
So and we are getting basically sitting idle on Saturdays and Sundays is not good for us. So we want
last Saturday, Sunday, we both have no open house. That is the first time in the last 4 years.
Yeah, that was actually also the Father's Day, so which was good.
So you think the Father's Day did not come before?
At least it was good that
Oh, come on. We have done open house on every Saturday, Sunday, except this Saturday, Sunday, which is, we both did not have to do it.
Yeah, exactly.
So, but we do want to work because we love to work. We want to go back our normal routine, do open house Saturday, Sunday. And then, so I was talking about the short sale, and I think I explained quite a bit, whatever for the time frame I could. But then now also I want to say to you, if you have a house which is need a staging, a yard cleaning and landscaping and the house cleaning, and then you want to put it in the market and get a good price, which could be in San Ramon, could be in Dublin. I actually have a client who's looking in San Ramon and Dublin. Basically, well, if I can come and think about it, I have a clients everywhere, because I think everybody has a clients everywhere, because market is where the short of the inventory is, and we have a buyers. We have more buyers than we can handle it, and we have a less property than we wishing. So it's like right now everything has changed really drastically or dramatically, whatever word you want to use. It's not good for the buyers. So if you people are thinking about selling and you had a house last year in market, you tried and didn't sell, got disappointed, this year I promise you and guarantee you that we can sell in 1 week. And that's not saying too much. It's the fact, because everybody knows if you don't call us, we can show you and guaranteed sale in 1 week. 1 weekend and your property will sell for more than asking price. And we do always price right, and then get you the staging and cleaning and make it the showplace. You'll be happy, and the buyer would be happy to pay what the value is in this market. So call us. Our number, Ashok will tell you.
Yes, number here is studio is 40.
No, our phone number.
Yeah, studio is 408-912-5565. If you want to call Rekha, her phone number is 510-754-4242. Again, 510-754-4242.
And if you want to call Ashok, I'll give you his number. We both do everything, except I don't do the loan. Loan only Ashok does. But Ashok does selling, Ashok does listing, and Ashok also does the loan. So that is the only difference between both of us. And he is a broker and owner. And as most people say that he's the founder of the company named Right Choice Realty and Loans. So you people know him. And if you want to just deal with him for selling and listing, also call him. The number is 510-932-2452. Again, 510-932-2452. And we have 2 minutes. I'll take the call. You go ahead on air. You on air?
Yes, I have a question on the interest rates for investment property.
Sure, Ashok can answer you.
Okay, go ahead, yeah.
This is out of state also. It's in North Carolina. So
I'm sorry I won't be able to help you with that, because I have no idea about the rates, because rates do vary from state to state. And I'm not licensed. I'm just licensed in California only.
Oh, okay. What are the rates in California for investment property?
Typically, it is you pay 1.75% in the fees, and then you get the same rate as the primary residence. Okay, so now you can increase your interest rate to cover up that 1.75% fees. Most likely, your rate is going to be around 4% for a 30-year fix.
Oh, okay. Any origination?
No origination fee. Basically, that's why you are increasing your rate from 3.625 to around 4% to cover up that additional origination fee of 1.75%.
So that's in California.
Yeah, that's California.
Right. I get that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, okay. So no surcharges at 4%. That's what it is in
That's
California.
right. About
right?
approximately, yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you for calling, and we will wrap up our show. Ashok, if you have to say something for ending, just go ahead. You have 1 minute.
No, just as I said, we, what I want to say, we are looking for the properties to list
New
and
listings,
to sell.
yes.
And of course, anybody who wants to refinance, please give us a call. There's been a lot of activity in refinancing. I get many calls, and all the banks are very busy. So all I tell people is that you have to, if you want to refinance and get the best possible rate, you should submit the application, submit all the documents, and then wait for the rates to come down, and then you can lock in at that point. You can't listen to the rate today and then, go and lock it tomorrow or do after tomorrow. By that time, the rates may already gone up.
So there is a little bit process, which is not everybody will tell you, but there is no way for these people to lock the rates. So with that, thank you very much for calling us, listening us, and giving us the business. Thank you to all our clients who have kept us busy. And please, if you're hearing me and you know that we are looking for listing and you have a friends and family who wants to sell, I guarantee for 1 week sale and anywhere within a 50 miles. And if you have yourself, then definitely call us. Our number will be given to you on our ad. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you and bye now.
Meet Ashok Chatwani, Ph.D., the Bay Area's coolest real estate broker and mortgage loan officer. After getting his Ph.D. in engineering, he worked as a scientist at German Aerospace Research Center, Princeton University, and Textron Defense Systems. He also worked as an application architect and data warehousing engineer at Hewlett-Packard and Yahoo. Now he's doing real estate sales and loans in the Bay Area. He does all loans, including conventional and FHA loans, with the best interest rates, no closing costs, no prepayment penalty, and hassle-free closings, which are in the best interest to you. To take advantage of today's lowest rates or to consult him on any mortgage question, contact Ashok Chatwani at 510-932-2452 or visit ashokloans.com. You can listen to Ashok Chatwani on KLOK 1170 radio talk show Ghar Sansar on Mondays 6 to 7 p.m., Tuesdays 8:45 to 9 a.m., and Fridays 3 to 4 p.m.
If you are in the process of buying your first home or your dream home or thinking of selling your present home, then consult one of the most experienced and trustworthy realtor in the Bay Area, Rekha Chatwani ji. Rekha has over 24 years of experience dealing with all types of buyers and sellers. You just express your wish and Rekha will make it happen for you. She is very experienced with all types of foreclosures and short sales. She has helped many homeowners facing financial hardships to avoid foreclosures. For immediate, no obligation consultation on all real estate questions, call Rekha at 510-754-4242 or visit rekhachatwani.com.